How to add phone number on TradingView. Are you guys facing issues to add phone number on your TradingView account? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open TradingView on your laptop device. Once you open the TradingView, now look at the top left corner of your screen where you can see a profile icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, now again tap on your profile name and click on profile settings. Once you click on it, you will be forwarded to this section. Now tap on profile setting. You can see the option for phone over here. Now tap on add phone number. Over here you need to write down your phone number. Once you write down your phone number, click on this call icon. They will send you a verification code. Once you write your verification code, click on submit. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add phone number on our TradingView account. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.